Rightio.
Right. Pretty excited about this unboxing. Just came in, we thought we'd do it straight away.
Big fan of these guys' gear. I don't know whether anyone's realised in my previous cars, I love light. It's like performance in the engine bay and then performance in the lights is sort of like, that's my jam.
We're unboxing a fair bit. There's a fair bit of stuff on the other side of this bench. They've also sent us some other gear for campsites,
testing in the workshop.
They went all out.
They did. I'm pretty impressed. This is a good package to get.
Very. Let's get into it.
Let's go through it and show you guys some of the new products they're coming out with, because
may leave.
Shed some light on the situation.
That's horrible. That's horrible.
Let's do this.
First off the bat is the T3000.
The task light. So this thing will be prime for campsites, under bonnet, chippies and builders that are working in the dark in the rooms, because obviously you don't have power all the time. So this bad boy's going to do that. But the thing that I really like about it for the camping, obviously everyone knows bugs like the white light. For some reason they just get drawn to it. It's probably because it's the same light as the moon.
Probably got something to do with it.
Probably what it is. But this bad boy not only turns on, you can go through the colours. And turn it into yellow. But yeah,
obviously fully rechargeable.
Can you see that? Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Moving on. Surface 6. So these are the RGB series too, so they change colours. The reason why we went this is because we want to stick with the theme of Luke's car.
You can even change the colours on your phone. That's pretty tricky.
So it is a pretty cool kit. I run these on the TAC 70. I didn't get the coloured ones though. I only got the clear. But I do run the coloured ones in my dog box because, let's be honest,
boss likes the disco.
That's right. Better than what I was going to say. I like that. Next, the flush mounts. These bad boys we're using our trays at the just for the reverse lights. Really, they look good and they work unreal. So
and they're really annoying. If you've got somebody behind you that you want to blind, preferably one of your mates.
Yes.
You bang them on.
Yep. Does
the job.
Flush mounts. They're just the one colour. But love these. I'll try and do a video for you on the reverse lights.
And they're T1000. So this is their little small task light.
Good news is
doubles as a torch too.
They sent 2 of them, which means Luke actually gets one.
You talking like I'm losing out of this situation.
He's definitely losing out of this situation.
But I'm the one that's getting all the lights from your car, so
no,
I'm winning out of this. Meant to do that.
There's a clip on there, man.
There's a clip on there, Scott.
You can hang that.
You can hang it.
I can hang that. I don't know whether you're going to be able to
You can even mount it. Look at that. Pretty bright. Comes with its own charging cord, which is pretty good. That one come with that?
This got a red light too. Oh, you didn't see it bright. Now it's bright.
Now it's bright.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
So that's the T1000.
That's pretty bright. That's pretty good.
That's their headlamp, the Type S.
So we'll test these bad boys out because I do go pig chasing a fair bit. So
and it does SOS. All their lights SOS. Well, all their task lights SOS.
We will give that bad boy a testing too.
What else?
So these bad boys we use in our roof racks. I'll rip one of them out straight up. I run these on my car. I haven't had my roof rack on my ute for a while now. I've been making some changes, so the new one's on the way. I miss my roof rack. It worked really well. It just had one squeak. I needed adjustable mounts to, yeah. But anyway, that's fixed. It's coming. I had 3 of them across the top. I could light the field up. So pretty cool. Very cool. You've got some mad covers. Done.
Oh, he's pulling me tape off.
They also sound like a plane. No, we just live next to an airport. But anyway, that's the roof rack lights we use. Absolutely love them. I'll set that there on display for you too, because why not?
What do you got there?
Ooh.
Another task light. And there's 2 of them, so.
There is 2 of these. Luke's definitely getting one of these. To be 100% honest with you guys, when Lukey put in his light order, I was excited because I love lights. But I already have those lights, so I wasn't extremely excited. These excited me.
Did the job.
I was like, hell yeah, new lights I haven't seen. These are badass. So this is the little brother of that one. It's the T1500. Now this bad boy probably goes to 2000 lumens, or it's 1500 lumens, so it's smack in the middle. Kind of probably why it's T1500. It does the yellow as well.
Does the orange.
Does the orange.
Got lights on the back of it.
Yeah, I know. Oh, there's the light.
Nice, bright. Does the SOS and the strobe.
Okay, so it's one of those multi-function buttons where you got to hold it to go which one you want. Pretty cool. Also rechargeable. All of them are rechargeable.
Another thing you missed.
They have the clip on it. Yeah,
they have the clip on.
You can hook it at your campsite. There has been plenty of times that you tarp up at your campsite. You can hang it on your rope. I know what you're thinking. You could possibly tarp up with this thing as well.
One of the better ones that we left to last.
I'll set that aside. T1500 task light. I'll be testing all of these out next time I go out camping.
Oh, I'm breaking the box here, but you know what? It's a box within a box, so.
That's it.
Let's get rid of that one, Scott. Again, next level with their boxing. Look at it.
Yep.
Look at it.
Second to none.
Type X Pros.
Yep.
Now,
these are by far, as I said before, I love me lights. I have had a crap ton of different lights on my car. And these are by far the best I've ever used.
bang for buck.
And also, again, bang for buck, you can't beat them. So
The bracketry's off its head as well too. That's
Yep.
the thing I like about STEDI. Like, get a go of that.
Yep.
That's going to cop a hit.
So the difference, I believe, in these lights compared to the cheaper ones on the market is they all use that generic stainless steel bracket.
Yep.
If they've got that bracket, they're cheap and nasty. Whereas
Yeah.
these bad boys come out with a wicked bracket on them. So
Fully machined.
hats off to this, because this makes a big difference in my books.
One thing that we are doing with mine, bit different to yours, we're running another set.
Yeah.
So we're actually running 3 Type X Pros.
I was going to try and set it up, but I've got a real mess happening over here, and it's just...
So we had to get another 2. They don't sell 3. If you try, you'll get to buy 2. We finished off the paint job down there. Well, parts of the paint job, the main part of the paint job. And it looks pretty flash, doesn't it, Scotty?
It looks badass. Sorry, I'm just looking at the jumpers.
It's going through the hoodies. Lost. Wow.
That's pretty cool. Buzz even looks good with me mic.
Let's set yours on.
Awesome.
Very nice hoodies. I can't wait to get all the lights on, because it adds that little bit of extra, you know, definition to the whole build. And
Because
it's like
real
the finishing
men
bit.
are scared of the dark. That is a sticker we need to make.
Well, it's probably a sticker STEDI needs to make. STEDI, get on with it.
Get on that.
Obviously running STEDI top to bottom on Bad Apple. I do like the fact that somebody just turned the...
2 hours later.
All right. Obviously having STEDI top to bottom on Bad
On
Apple.
the build. As we do, I would say on all of our builds from now on, because I'm stoked with the products.
Great, it's easy fit up. They've got Deutsch fitting straight up.
They do. That's the biggest thing I find with
Look, get in
lights
there,
on
mate.
the
Get in
market.
there.
Get in there and have a
Get
look
in
at
there
this.
with that. Obviously, another reason why we like them is because they come with Deutsch fittings on there, all sealed, ready to
Stop
go.
waving it around. Jeez, they just want to see the fitting.
Look at it.
But yeah, anyway, stay tuned, because it's she's going to be epic, and get ready for the STEDI video, because it's coming. This isn't even it. This is just the intro to the STEDI video.
The build to the build.